Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this whimsical centerpiece at home. I foraged for goodies on my walk this morning and decided to use them in today's arrangement. I also picked up some butterfly ranunculus, orange roses, dahlias, and bunny tails. I always start my arrangements by creating a shape with my greens. Since we're going for a whimsical look, don't be afraid to let them be a little bit more wild. Always being sure to cover the floral foam as you go. Next, I want to place my largest blooms in a way that keeps the eye moving. Then we want to fill in any gaps with our next largest bloom, the roses. Pop in a foraged goodie or two. Next, we want to add our floater flowers. We call them that because they look like they're floating. Butterfly ranunculus work perfectly for this part of our design. Add some contrast to make your design pop, and some bunny tails as a finishing touch. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming how-to flower videos just like this one. And check out my Instagram to see more of my work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.